Go, go, go! That's all right over here.
Yeah. They want us all to make a push. Come on, Randall! Push! Push! Another smoke?
Pop and smoke!
You got guys right there.
Use the smoke!
Hey, push in the window. Go in the building. Go in the building. Go in.
Oh, fuck!
Move on! We got guys on the wall. Move on. What y'all doing? Move on. Guys on the wall.
Come on around. Go, go, go! Shit!
The guys in the windows on the other side, blue. Away in the windows. Okay.
Window. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah. You a real one. Let's go. Yeah. Let's fucking go. Yeah.
Take the wire. Come out, take the wire so we get our gun in.
Where did you get hit?
In the head. You get reset.
Wrap the corner, wrap the corner. Hey, help that guy. That guy don't give a fuck. Help that window. Get up. You guys need smoke? Yeah, we got some. Let's lay it down. Throw it in that window right there. Yeah, that window. Yeah. Is it that window right here? Right here. Well, only one way to fly down, baby. Yep, I'm good. Oh, shit. Hold it. Wave it back and forth. Get him out. Get him out. Oh, shit. Oh, damn. Whoa. I got a Smurf bong hit. Holy shit. Oh, man. That tasted yummy. Guy in that window. Yeah, right ahead. Yeah. He's on that white container. Okay. The white container, you go a little bit more wide. Oh, shit. Yeah. Let's go, boy! Use the smoke! Push up! Go! No! There's no rocket! Head off! Alright. I'm behind the tire. That's right, hit him. Hey, right up. Hit. Oh, you alright? Okay, little kid. You alright, bro? Man, what a savage. Take this, I'm out of pain. Fucking savage. Oh shit, alright. Hey, watch across. They're shooting to the tag in the contact in the box. sliver right here. Hey, you can't see it from there. Come left, you got a little sliver right there. Shoot through that.
Watch that crack too.
It's right through there. There's cross shot in that. You gotta watch it.
Oh. Yeah.
Hey, bro. Hey, what are you on?
Oh.
Hey, not bad, Blue. Hey, Blue guys.
Good game, good game. Good game, brother.
Good one, man.
Good game. Fuck yeah. Good game, bro. Good game.
We're like, you can't have our thing.
Good game,
It's our
guys. That
thing.
was fucking awesome. You guys killed it.
Like, that's our thing.
Hell yeah. Good game, man.
Yeah, man.
Fuck yeah.
You guys have
Right
fun?
on, brother. Hell yeah. That was awesome. Good game, dude. Yeah, that was awesome. What's up, homies? Good game, good game, good game. That was fucking crazy. We did a lot better than last year, I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
Muddy.
I'll take it. I'll take it. We battled till the end.